Hi guys, today I've got the easiest wedding hairstyle ever. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face, and I'm just going to gather the hair and tie it into a low ponytail at the nape of the neck. Next, I'm going to take a hair vine and I'm just going to pull a little bit off that elastic and pass the hair vine under one loop of that elastic until it reaches the halfway point. Clip that vine up and out of your way for now, and all we're going to do is split the ponytail in half and then pop a clip on either side to keep it separate. Release that hair vine down and tuck one side behind the left side, and we're going to work on the right hand side first. So with that right hand side of the ponytail, we're going to split it in half and we're going to lay that hair vine over one section, and then we're simply going to twist those sections around one another to create a twist, and when you get to the bottom, just tie it all together with a clear elastic band. And then we're going to repeat on the left hand side. So split it in half, add your hair vine to one side, twist, and then just secure it with a band. Taking the twist on the right hand side, we're going to bring it up and over the elastic band to the left hand side, and we're going to pin it all the way along. Then bring the ends around and then just tuck them underneath so you can't see them and pin them to the head. Now taking the twist on the left hand side, we're going to wrap it around the elastic band, but we're going to go in the opposite direction and then pin it to the head, making sure that you tuck your ends underneath. Add some texture spray all over the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And then we're going to loosen up the hair at the crown and the sides by pinching and pulling very gently. And then to really give this bun some messy volume, we're going to pinch and pull at every loop and twist. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.